Let's go! Here we go, Ate Morissette. Let's get this game going. 1 mischievous monarch. 2 terrifying pitfalls. You know already the meaning. Here we go. Tara na tayo. Huwag na tayo mag-intro. Ay, naku, gago naman yung ate na yan. Si Ate Shane. Mukha siya ng 7. Tantado, hindi ko nakita to. Nasaan na si Kuya Luis? O si Kuya Dong? O si Kuya Bills? Nasaan na? Ah, he's to the east. To the right, guys. Let's go! Yeah, I'm ready to go. Say it away, Ate Glyza. Fighting! Fighting, Ate Glyza. Let's see how well... Ikaw na, saan tayo nagsimula? Saan tayo nagsimula dito? Ah, dito. Tres. Wow, sorted na naman ako. Challenge minigame. At least I can already play para makuha ka tayo ng premyo. Maraming pera. Ah, salamat sa Diyos. Let's go. Okay, everyone, you know already what to do here. So now we're gonna stamp and get some points. Thanks, Adam. Let's do this. Great! Now it's over. Whoa, that's so extemporaneous. That's so extraneous. I thought kasi President Duterte patch will already come after this eh. Pero what you always wala naman. Pero di bale, mananaw ko. Salamat sa yan. Lord, sana may premyo. ₱5 lang. Di pa sapat yan. Bale, may palag na siya ako. Tandaan mo yan. Let's go to Shira. Fighting! Ah, kaya pala. So that's where we're starting. Wow! Grabe naman, bilis naman ni Ate Shira. Alam ko na, I already know that's the reference room. Bilis naman. Yes! Sana Lord, kung panalo ako, kunin ko niya yung 20 pesos niya. Para Jones, hindi siya babayan si Kuya Bills, si Ate Shira, si Ate Monique, si Ate Lauren, si Ate Mace, o si Ate Laika. Tara na, kung possible na tayo. Siyempre naman nating Angel, kung mag-basketball na tayo, tara na, pag ning mas mag-basketball ka, para panalo ka sa Running Man ng Season 3, mag-basketball na tayo. Mahusay talaga mag-basketball dyan, pag inuman na to. Tara na. Yes! Galing! Okay, just give me the money. Sana 20. Sana 20, Lord! Please, 20. Sana 20, Lord. 20. Di ba sapat? 5 pesos lang yun. Oh, kaki lang. Bale, may palag na ako para namin ko si Kuya Bills. Kung saan. Oh yeah, now I know that's the reference to where Kuya Bills is hiding. That's it, is it? Grabe, ang bilis naman. Gago! Gago naman talagang isip ni Ate Shaira or Ate Ara San Agustin o Ate Mikey Quintos o Ate Barbie Forteza or Ate Sanya Lopez o Ate Michelle D. Bilis niyo. Wala akong ganun. Si Ate Rian o si Ate Megan. Lord, please, sana napakaganda. Para na kung babayaran ako ng manong. Weh, wala akong pake. Dito na ako tatawid. Para mag-ibon ako ng maraming pera. Unless na, hindi ako sure. Sige, bayad ko na. Whoa, don't let you through. Maybe 10 coins make me open up. Gago! Won't like the way you think. Go! That is so stupid. Pero di ba na, may balak na siya ako eh. What a fierce competition! I'm impressed! Now let's take a look at those standings. Well, look at this. It looks like Ate Jessica Benjamin is likely the winner. The way now things are going, Rafi is sure to lose. So let's give him a boost. You all want a good fight, right? So let's see if this evens the odds. So Rafi, take on the dark field to get your present. Yeah, I know. Hi, salamat. Triple dice block ako. At there it is nga. Rafi gets a nice piece of 3 dice block candy. Salamat sa yan para sa mabilisan. Swerte na ako. A little help can go a long way though. Now let's see you all do your best. Fighting! Gago, ang liit naman to. Ano natin, Morset? Gago, ang bilis mo. Takina. I knew it! The room on the right is a pitfall room. I can clearly sense that. Ito yun, oh. Tama ako, tamang hula ko. Di ako gumanan kasi po, ito yun, oh. Kung nandito ako, tapos nandito, tapos kumanan ako, tapos taas, kung dito, first room ni Kuya Bills. Kung ito, tatawid ako dito, nga, tapos bababa, alam ko na, pitfall room to. Taming decision ko, hindi ako nagpunta dito. Ay, salamat anak ko. Mahusay talaga ako. Saan dapat? Yes! Ay, salamat sa Diyos. Weh! Bilis naman. Or maybe that's another room where Kuya Bills can be hiding. I think. Uy, kago! Susunduin mo ba ako, ate? Dito na ako sa taas. Lord, please, sana tama to. Ay, salamat sa... Yes! Ay, Kuya Bills! Tara na, pagbili ako ng isang bituin! Hehe! You found me. Now, how about my 10 pesos? Fork him over. Cause I got that pretty little star right over here. Eto na, Kuya Bills, mga kapuso! Hehe, here's your star.
I got the star! Salamat po, Kuya Bills! Panalo ko dahil sa inyo! At, hindi ka tapos. Dahil, hanapin mo ako ulit sa isang kwarto kung saan maharap mo ang pangalamang between mo. Paalam! O dahil it's out! Fighting at the Diyos! Kaya namin to! Weh! Alam ko na may balak na ako. Another straight path. So to recap, di ba remember nandito kami, di ba? So first, second layer, third, fourth, fifth. So tama, there's a curved room, tapos dito, tapos yun nga. So to recap so far, di ba nandito ako nagsimula? So dito, tapos turn right, go down, turn right, tapos up, right. First room ni Kuya Luis, o ni Kuya Bills. Pero kung tumawag dito, na, big fall, and they should come from here. So therefore, the next room must be here. Dito. I'll just jump to it. Sige, talo na ako. Para mas release. Here you come, Ate Thea. Or Jessica Bilirubin. Or B. Mateo. Or Hipon Girl. Hi, salamat challenge. Minikim na naman ako. Pero yung problema, magsuspa siya naman yung pera ko. Pero di bali, may balak na kasi ako. So, pag nanalo. That's easy. Okay. 20! Sayang lang na yun talaga kumuha ko ng 20. Pero di bali na. May parang nasi ako. Gawin mo yung gusto mo, Ate Isabel. Wala akong pang sa inyo, tado ka. Or Ashley Rivera. Or Ashley, whoever you are. Yan! Day-save muna tayo. Alam ko, what the heck? Grabe naman. Ang haba na naging lakbay namin. Ang ewan na to. Di balik, takbo na. Para malaman namin kung tama o mali yun. Kwarto na yan.
Yes! Weh! Nasaan na ako? Here I come! Nakaw na! Yan, 20. Para magbili ako ng candy para mahusay. Sorry po Ate Antoinette. O Ate Clyra. O Ate Clyde. O Ate Lee Alonso. Yes! Saan ako pumunta? Kung tataas o dito na ako magbabalik. So yun. I know there's a room here. Bali, dito na ako. Hoy, gago! Anong klaseng kwarto to? Tae nga! Kala ko nang dyan na kasi Kuya Bills dito. Hindi ko nakita po. Kaki na. Lapit na sana dahil dito po. Tae nga. Ready, bali? A little help will be fine. Yan! Alam ko nang dyan si Kuya Bills ha. Tandaan mo yan. Tsaka binigyan din naman tayo dito. Hi Lord, sana maganda panignan ng laro. Please Lord, please Lord! Sana maayos! Okay. Let's get to it. Uy, gago, di ko nakita to. Yes! Tapos. Here we go. Fighting! Okay lang yan. Iba nila. Iba na ganun yung balak mo Ate Kim Chu. Huwag na makasara sa iba. Alam ko na tama yun. Ah, kaya pala. That's the reference room. Ah, okay. I think now I know something. Kasi boy, no naman, the reference room where Kuya Bills is. Ano yun? I knew it. Kaya nga tama yung hula ko. Saan yun? Sa ito, oh. I'll show you. Tama yung hula ka. Tama yung hula ko. Kasi ako nandito ako. Tapos dito, baba. Tapos kumanan ka. Tapos dito, hanggang sa taas. Yung nga, dead end. Tapos dito, pitfall room na naman tayo. Buti nga hindi ako nagpunta dito. Para I can explore more of the mansion. Ang ginawa ko, hinahid ko na lang yung manong para safe. Tapos dito, and then curve left. Tapos, yun nga, nasa second room. Tapos I went down, curve right. Tapos dito, kalko, you have to pay the mano, which is here. And get up there. Yun pala, it's ano yun, curve pa rin. Hanggang dito. Pitfall room na naman to. So if I were to go up, it's still the same. You will still continue your way here. Tapos dito sa baba, okay. So dapat when you're up there, you will curve or the right or left. Tapos this one, go either up or down. Tapos, yun nga, continue going up hanggang dito ka na sa room na to. So yun na. So our plan to get to Kuya Bills is this. Ang haba! Yun.
Haba yung nag-bio ka na. What's up now, Ate Glyza? Or Ate Alexa? Or Ate Kinchu? Down! What? Why would I need that? I don't need that here. Alright, Ate Bianca. Curve left. Then by Candy here. Bali na. O ano ba yun, Ate Ara? Mag-charge video naman tayo. Swabe. Okay. Magkano yung bayad? Wow, 5 piso lang. Grabe. Swabe naman talaga yung nangyari. Haha. Tara na, dito na ako. Candy shop. Lord, yes! Ay, salamat sa Diyos. Hindi na ako ng twice candy. Hey, Ate Bianca, sit there. Yes! Nandyan! Salamat po. Oh, great. Now I can run. And find Kuya Bills quick as Shamrose. Okay, let's get onto it. Electro 4. Yes! Astig! Wow, okay. Para mas mabilis, ito na. Yan! Hinarap ko na si Kuya Bills. Please, no? Ay, nako, sign up talaga. If only that were, ano yun, you have to go up, then you have to pay the mano before we continue. Ay, salamat manang mano. Salamat sa Diyos. Hey, hey, you found me. Now, how about my 10 coins? Please work him over, because I've got that pretty little star right over here. Ito na po yung bills. Hey, hey, here's your star. I got the star! Panalo mo ito, Shaira! Ikaw talaga yung matalo dito! Well, it's kinda horrifying that you got 2 stars. I'll never live this down. I'll just slip away quietly. Ta-ta! These chills and spills are over. We have a winner! That's right, folks! This duel belongs to Raffy! Yeah, I'm the winner! Sayang di ako manalo. Eh, may susunod na kaya? That's great, Ate Jules. Beat me in the next game. Bye! Waha! Yeah, I hope to beat that Mario Man someday. Wish us luck! Bye!